Externally suspended UV ink is mainly used to test the performance of new inks and disposable gloves, filters, filter tubes, etc. Need to be prepared in advance. The first step is to unplug the ink tube above the large ink cartridge and install the butterfly filter, and tighten it to avoid the backflow of UV ink. The second step is to install the temporary ink tube and steel needle to the interface under the butterfly filter, and wipe the UV ink that penetrates out with a non-woven fabric at any time. According to the actual number of UV ink that needs to be replaced, the corresponding temporary ink cartridge and steel needle can be installed. The third step is to remove the ink inlet above the nozzle and install a temporary ink discharge pipe. The fourth step is to remove the UV ink from the original secondary ink cartridge and ink tube into the cup. The fifth step is to insert the temporary steel needle into the new UV ink bottle after the removal is clean. Continue to press the ink until the new UV ink flows out smoothly. Repeat the above action 5 times, and the entire UV ink is suspended externally.